Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to share with you my monthly favorites for the month of August. Now I don't have a super ton. I've kind of just been using the same products that I've been using in July, but I do have a couple differences that I want to go ahead and share with you. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, starting off with some skincare type stuff. There is this lotion that I received when I went to BeautyCon, and it's from Palmer's, and it's a cocoa butter formula with vitamin E, daily skin therapy, and it heals, softens, relieves dry and rough skin, 24-hour moisture, and it also soothes marks and tones skin. This stuff smells incredible. When I put it on, my boyfriend's like, oh, you smell like Cold Stone, which, you know, who doesn't want to smell like Cold Stone? But this stuff is super incredible. And I have super dry like skin on my arms and on my legs. Like I even got really bad eczema right here where it was just patchy and red and burning, and it just hurt very badly. My face is not sensitive, it's not, you know, dry or anything. It's really more a combination than anything, but the rest of my body, it feels like a freaking desert, and I just want to scratch it off. Like it's so uncomfortable, and this has been one of the only things that I can use that actually brings some relief to it. A lot of the times, honestly, it's probably terrible for your skin. I just take hair oil and mix it with lotion and just slather my body in it because I need that moisture, and my skin just soaks it up so fast. Like even now I just want to like scratch at my arms because I just feel so dry and so itchy. But this has been something that has been a lifesaver. It's something that I'm gonna have to find at the store and pick up because this is, you know, pretty much out. It's a tiny little bottle. But if there's something that works for you guys, if you have dry skin, go ahead and let me know what that is down below so that I can look into that as well. Next up, I have a skincare product for your face. This is from Suai. It's a purifying, brightening, peeling gel for refinement and clarification. I totally screwed that up, but this is what it looks like. This is one of those type of products where you squeeze a little bit out, like a little bit goes a long way, and then you just rub it onto your skin. Like your skin has to be dry, so you know my hand is perfect for this. Your skin can't be wet, otherwise it won't work. You just rub it around, and like all your dead skin cells just start peeling off, and you're left with the softest face ever, and it just feels so good. I love doing this multiple times a week, just peeling off the dead skin, the impurities, and rinsing my face and just feeling the difference. This is something I believe that you can pick it up at Walmart. It's fairly cheap, I believe around $5, and it's definitely something that I recommend. Now, moving on to the makeup type products, I have one non-makeup product, but it goes along with makeup. It's a brush, and I received this in my August Ipsy bag. This is from SL Miss Glam, and it's just this nice little, kind of like a highlighter brush, but I've been using it for contouring. I think it works really well. It's nice and fluffy enough to blend out the contour that you're doing, but it's also small and thin enough that it really packs in the contour the way that I prefer it to be done on my own self. So I have been really enjoying this brush. Now, officially moving on to the makeup products, I have a couple different things. I've got some lip products. I'll go ahead and do those first. This is from Milani. It's the Stellar Lights Holographic Lip Gloss, and this is in Prismatic Pink. And this stuff smells incredible. Like, I can't tell you exactly what the scent is, but I remember it from my childhood. Like, it's like a really nice cake vanilla flavor. I don't know, it smells so good, and it smells like something that I grew up with, and I don't know if that's why I love it so much. It's super holographic, super pretty, but the scent just gets me, and I absolutely love it. To go along with that, I've been loving this lip butter from Marc by Avon. It's the all butter now. I don't even know if they still sell these, but I have one in orange, and then this one is in Pop Tart, and it is this super hot pink. Now, these are super hydrating because they are lip butters, but the pigmentation is incredible. It's super vibrant, super gorgeous. Next up, I have some cheek products. This is a blush from Pixie by Petra. I also received this in my Ipsy bag for the month of August, and this is in Beach Rose. It's just a very pretty kind of terracotta-y blush color. It's like the perfect fall shade, but I've kind of been loving it already because I'm super ready for fall and for hot weather to just go away, because I'm tired of headaches and migraines and heat, and I just want boots and jackets and long sleeves, and I'm very excited for fall. I also have another product from my Ipsy bag. I'm telling you, my Ipsy bag was incredible. This is the highlighter that I got from Ciate London, and it's in Moon Dust, and I'm wearing it on my cheeks today. I don't know how well it's picking up on camera, but it's super gorgeous. It's very glittery, so if you're not a fan of glittery highlighters, you might not like this one, but it is so pretty. I love, love, love this, and it has been my go-to since I got it. That is what it looks like. Very pretty, very highlighty. I adore it. I have a concealer. This was in, I don't know if it was July Ipsy or August Ipsy, but it's from Smashbox, and it's the Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer, and it is in the shade Fair, and this has been working really well to conceal underneath my eyes. My eyes are very, very watery, and I always get them dripping like right here, and then my concealer washes away and I just look like a hot mess. But this, it says waterproof. It is fairly waterproof, but I must have like, you know, super incredible tears or something, because it does still wash away, but not as bad as some concealers. Like the one from Maybelline Fit Me, which I absolutely love, that one washes away like nothing, like super easy. This one takes just a little bit more tear power to destroy this concealer. I also have a mascara. This is from CoverGirl. It's the Peacock Flare. Now, I actually really didn't like this mascara when I picked it up. It wasn't my favorite formula. I didn't feel like it really did anything to my lashes, but as I've let it kind of sit and the formula's gotten a little bit drier, I am really starting to like it. You guys know that I like combine like 3 different mascaras. I feel like this one creates a really nice base and really helps to separate and flare out my lashes, as you know the name suggests, Peacock Flare. So I really do enjoy this. I probably won't repurchase it. I don't love it that much, but it has been a favorite this month because I like what it's doing to my lashes now that the formula's kind of dried out a bit. Next up, I have an old palette. This is from Urban Decay. It's the Urban Decay and Gwen Stefani palette. This is one of my favorite palettes ever. I freaking adore Gwen Stefani. I think she's gorgeous. She's like my woman crush, like all the time. She's so beautiful and so talented, and I love her, and I love this palette. This is what it looks like. Mine is a little bit dirty because I've been using the crud out of it, but it's so pretty. Lots of neutrals, lots of wearable shades, then some pops of pink and blue and gold down here. The gold's kind of dirty because the brown on top of it, the fallout from it, but it's super, super pretty, and I love it. It's gorgeous. Like, look at this punk color. Like, it's a nice plummy burgundy color. The pigmentation is incredible. I'll go ahead and swatch that blue shade for you. Danger. Metallic blue, beautiful. Go ahead and swatch the gold for you as well. That's what it looks like. And then I'll go ahead and do one of my favorite shades in here. It's called Harajuku. No, it's called Anaheim. And it's just a nice matte camel brown. Super pretty. So I love this palette. It has been my go-to lately. Some of the shades are really perfect for contouring. The eye looks that you can create with it are incredible. It was limited edition, so you can't pick it up anymore, but if you're interested in seeing a tutorial using it, go ahead and let me know down below. Next up, the very last thing that I have from you is the Brow Contour Pro from Benefit. Hopefully you guys saw my Brow Contour Pro review, swatches, and tutorial video, and if you haven't, go ahead and check that out. I will have it linked down below. And this is what it looks like. It looks like one of those clicky pens from like your childhood when you're going back to school and things like that, but it's actually for your brows. So it's got, and I've got these swatches all over my fingers, still have nothing to wipe it off with. So it has a lighter shade, a deeper shade, a definer shade, and a highlight shade, and you just click it out, it comes out, and then you just fill in your brows. And it's kind of tricky to use. There is a learning curve to it. I'm still learning how to use it with just this and not with an angled brush, but it is something that I've really been enjoying. I like that I've got brow products all in one place. I don't have to keep like reaching into my bag to find, you know, different brow products. And so it's become very handy, and it's such a cool like little tool. Like, I love it. Go ahead and watch my review on this, my tutorial with this, and let me know what you think. So that is everything that I've been loving for the month of August. Like I said, there wasn't a whole lot of changes from this month to or from last month to this month. Hopefully we'll be seeing a lot more changes in September with the seasons changing and the weather kind of cooling down a bit. But I did want to go ahead and share with you guys the products that I have been loving. Go ahead and let me know what products you've been loving down below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks so much for watching.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This